Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Is Modalyst free to use? If you're looking to start or grow an online store, you've probably heard of Modalyst. It's a popular platform that allows you to source products, add them to your store, and fulfill orders without ever having to hold inventory. But the big question is, does it cost anything to use? Let's find out. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Modalyst does. Essentially, it's a dropshipping platform. This means you can sell products online without having to purchase them upfront or store them in a warehouse. When a customer buys a product from your store, Modalyst sources it from a supplier and ships it directly to the customer. The free plan. Now, to answer the question, yes, Modalyst does have a free plan. This plan gives you access to a limited number of products, and you'll be charged a transaction fee for each sale. It's a great way to test out the platform and see if it's a good fit for your business. Key features of the free plan. Limited product selection. You can choose from a smaller pool of products compared to the paid plans. Transaction fees. For each sale, you'll be charged a fee, which can vary depending on the product category. Basic analytics. You'll get access to some basic analytics to track your sales and performance. When to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're serious about using Modalyst to grow your online store, you'll eventually need to upgrade to a paid plan. Here are some signs that it's time to make the switch. You're running out of products. If the limited product selection on the free plan is hindering your ability to grow your store, it's time to upgrade. You want to sell more high-ticket items. The paid plans often come with access to more premium products that can increase your average order value. You need advanced features. If you require features like bulk importing, custom branding, or advanced analytics, a paid plan is the way to go. Paid plan options. Modalyst offers several paid plans, each with its own features and pricing. The exact details may change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the Modalyst website for the most up-to-date information. Additional costs to consider. While Modalyst itself is free to use, there are a few other costs you should be aware of. Transaction fees. Even on the paid plans, you may still be charged transaction fees for certain products. Shipping costs. The cost of shipping products to your customers will vary depending on the supplier and the shipping method. Payment processing fees. You'll need to pay a fee to your payment processor, e.g., PayPal, Stripe, for each transaction. So, is Modalyst free to use? Yes, but there are limitations. If you're just starting out and want to test the waters, the free plan is a great option. However, if you're serious about growing your online store, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock its full potential. Remember, the best way to determine if Modalyst is right for you is to try it out and see how it works for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.